Good morning, everyone. Today is a very momentous occasion that all of us are gathered. My apologies that I cannot be there present, but my second vice chairman, Dr. Sining Cota, would be there to represent Manila Council. Okay, and so first of all, this is an important and momentous occasion because this is a time where we would be honoring, especially our hardworking colleagues in the National Capital Region. And not only that, this I think this is a good practice that we need to start. Most of the time people in the scouting movement, especially the volunteer, will say scouting is always a thankless institution, no? But today, yeah, this is very special because we would be thanking the people, recognizing and giving value to the people who have served the region until their retirement. And there's a long list, no? But I just want to use this opportunity also to congratulate all of you because you have given your best in order to help the National Capital Region and your respective council. I know that this is not easy. This is difficult for you and for your council and even for the region because your contribution has greatly shaped the region in the past years. And so to our regional director, Lorena, thank you very much for your hard work, for your guidance and for your presence. You're always readily available especially when Manila Council needs you. So we just want to thank you for all the advices and the wisdom that you have shared in order to help the council, especially in the policies area, so that we could make good decision as a council. So thank you very much, and we just want to value you and recognize you today because you are an important person that have shaped not only Manila Council but also helped the National Capital Region reach new heights, building on the works of your predecessor. And that is really a very good model and example that you have done. Okay, so thank you very much, Madam. And also for the different retiree na mga executives, although I have not worked with all of you, but I have worked with at least I can see in the list 3, Sir Tony Merino. Yeah, for more than a decade already, we have been doing the trainings, and making sure that the training is always up to that standard that we are talking about. Thank you very much, Sir Tony. I do hope I could see you in many of these scouting activities, even though you are already retired. Also, Arwin, from Pasay City Council. Sir Arwin, thank you very much also for your services. I know that Pasay has improved so much levels up under your leadership. And of course, SE Rafael Artista, ito talaga yung buong pandemic, ito talaga yung council na talagang namamayagpag sa training. And we really appreciate what you have done to your council. I'm speaking as also not only as a council chairman of Manila Council, but also as the National Training Commissioner. And all of you who have served, I do believe so many people appreciates what you have done. Okay, kami sa scouting, sa aming different capacities in the scouting movement, I just want to say all of you, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. And I do pray, because I'm a pastor, diba? I do pray that in your next journey, wherever the Lord will place you, you will continue to be that blessing, helping even more people, become a better version of themselves. Scout salute! God bless everybody. Maraming salamat po. See you in one of our scouting activities in the very near future.